Sharpologist.com.
I've watched my share of people shaving, on video, in person, newcomer, experienced, enthusiast, you name it, and I'm constantly surprised at how many people do not shave efficiently. There are a number of ways to be more efficient in your shave, but there is one thing in particular that will make the biggest difference. That one thing is not immediately repeating a shaving stroke. It's so common for a shaver to almost unconsciously repeat strokes with the razor over the exact same spot twice, or 3 times, or more, that I wonder if it's maybe some kind of autonomic process. If you can pay closer attention to your shave stroke and avoid repeating them in the same pass, you can not only save time, but also avoid irritation. And if you do it correctly, with the classic 3-pass approach, your shave will be just as close. And you don't even have to use a razor with 27 blades. Let me show you. I've started a timer with the start of my shave. Here I'm doing my first pass. It's almost leisurely, with single strokes that slightly overlap. It may be helpful to keep in mind that there is no need to repeat strokes. The first pass is just to knock down the worst of the stubble, not to go for that baby's butt feeling right away. After the first pass, I give my face a quick rinse and re-lather for the second pass. Again, I'm really trying to avoid stroking the same place again and again, but rather taking strokes that overlap slightly. If there is no lather, I don't shave there. Also notice how I take even shorter strokes in areas that aren't flat. It may look like a repeat, but I'm actually going over a slightly different spot with each stroke. You could get a bit more efficient with a razor that has a pivoting head. The second pass reduces the stubble further, and if it's enough for you, your shave is finished. But I'm going for that smooth as a baby's butt feel, so I'll do that third pass fully against the beard's grain after a quick rinse and re-lather. I'm using a razor with a single blade. If you want to get slightly more efficient, you could use a razor cartridge with multiple blades, but at the cost of a higher chance of irritation. After the third pass, I'll feel around for any rough patches that I may have missed. I'll lather just that area and take one more swipe with the razor. If it's still rough, just let it go for this shave. Any more cleanup strokes are just a recipe for razor burn. But there you have it. I got a great shave in about 6 minutes. Add in a bit more time for prep and aftershave care, and I can easily come in under 10 minutes. An efficient shave can be fast, comfortable, and close when done correctly. Do you have any other suggestions to make a shave more efficient? Leave a comment. Hi, my name is Mark, otherwise known as Mantic59, and my channel is all about what your father didn't teach you about shaving.